Alright guys, let me ask you something. How many people visit your website every day just checking prices but never call or leave any information? Most service businesses lose their visitors completely. They were interested, but then they leave because they couldn't get their price quickly and they just don't call. That's exactly what this tool solves. First, it's a lead catcher. When somebody wants to see a price, the tool simply asks them for their name, their email, and their phone number first. So instead of anonymous visitors leaving your site forever, they become real leads you can follow up with. The best part is, these are high intent leads because they're literally trying to get a price. Window shoppers turn into real prospects. Second, it's a professional quote calculator. Customers ask a few questions about their job, like room, square footage, services. Then the system calculates the price based on your actual pricing. So instead of waiting for a callback, they immediately get their pricing. This does two powerful things. Builds trust and transparency, filters out who aren't really serious. So the quote calculator allows the customer to generate their own price estimate immediately, which speeds up the quoting and improves the buying experience. Third, and this is where it's really powerful, guys, it's a follow-up engine. So every lead is automatically followed up via email. You don't have to do anything. It follows up with them in 15 minutes, offers them a special, right, to help entice them, maybe $20 off. All right. It follows up the next day. Hey, are you still looking for carpet cleaning? And it'll keep following up for 3 months. Once a week, it will market to them to their email. So what does marketing do? Okay, it makes customers remember who you are. So the next time they do need a carpet cleaning, right, they're going to remember the name of your company because you're always emailing, right? So it's a marketing tool also. So, this tool automatically sends instant quote emails, sends booking links, triggers follow-up sequences as far as email campaigns, and notifies you of everything going on. So no lead gets forgotten. You're not just getting leads, you're getting an automated sales team with this tool, this one tool. So instead of your website being a brochure, it becomes a lead generation sales machine. You get captured leads, you get instant estimates, you get automated follow-ups. There's a link below here. You can demo it yourself. See how well it works. I think you're going to be pretty impressed. The tool can be customized to your pricing, your services, but I think you'll get the idea. Imagine every visitor on your website being able to get a quote within 30 seconds, and you catching every one of those leads automatically. Would you rather have people leave your website without contacting you, or turn them into real leads automatically? I think I know the answer to that question, and so do you. So go ahead and check out the tool, learn more on the page. It's time to stop losing those leads. And guys, if you're advertising, if you're paying for Google ads or Facebook ads or whatever, you cannot afford to not have this tool, because somebody can click on your ad and land on your page and disappear. Okay, say it costed you money and you have no way of getting their information and call them up, right? But with this tool, what does it do? A lot of people are price shoppers. They get in there, they want to get the estimate. You caught the lead. Now you can pick up the phone and call them. The people that costed you maybe $25 for a call, right? At least have a fighting chance for that customer. Makes sense, doesn't it? And listen, guys, if they're on the website, they're using the tool, you get the notification. You don't even have to wait for them to fill it out. You can go ahead and give them a call right away. All right? So getting them on the phone, that closes the deal a lot easier, right? But if you have a smooth running machine like I've created here for you, the experience of the calculator is so professional, and it's a sales tool as itself, as you will see when you use it. To me, it's just a no-brainer. So again, check it out. And hey, welcome to Green Rhino.